Hello, Sim Tech Buzz. We're back with the Instax Mini link to smartphone printer. So we're just going to connect back to the phone. You see how fast it connects, which is great. Now I've got some pictures printed off as well. Plus I can show you the difference between them in real life and other things you can do. Now you've got Instax Air this time, which what you'll do is hold the feature button and you'll have the LED pointing out and draw on the air and it'll appear on the app. Now I didn't play with that, to be honest, it's not my kind of scene, but all you do is simply go into the Instax Air part on this and you can do it. So you can go into your Instax camera, you have all that stuff there. Hello, you've got sketch prints and this is the Air one here, so that's what you'll do with that part there. So you got flash in, out and all this kind of stuff, videos there and all, which you can do still in the normal one and get QR codes and print them off. So you've got a simple print, video print and an Instax camera. You've got your frame print, collage, match test, air and sketch and edit print. So all the features are there from before. So you got your Bluetooth settings, your print mode options. So you go in there, natural or rich. You've got your camera operation settings, which can be turned on and off for your camera. You've got your vibration settings, sound, print and date setting, link to settings. So you've got which printer to use there, your power on, all that kind of stuff in there, and your power on button setting here. So if you go in there, so you got a warm color gradation that will transcribe across onto this guy here, and then you've also got an LED on the side here as well. You can see that now starting to change colour from changing that there. So that's in the main settings there. And print video download settings, you can have that in there, cancel that. Terms of use and all that kind of stuff on your frame update, obviously it's updated to the latest. So you can have your date format there, and your sound settings on or off, automatic power off, which will automatically power off after a bit of time. So you got your Bluetooth settings as well, which is fine. We're connected, as you can see up on top. We've got our pictures and we've got 80% left in battery, and that's basically all there is in the settings department there. If you haven't had this printer before, you can have a look at this, but we've done a kind of similar video on the last one as well, so this is just if you want to have a look and see what's involved. It's nothing too complicated, to be honest. So you've got a frame print in here, which you can do this. You've got a collage print, which you can pick from any of those. You've got a match test, you have got Instax Air, and you've got sketch and edit print. So in here you can get creative if you want to and do all bits and pieces there. I'm just a simple print and shoot kind of guy, and that's really it. So this time around as well, you have got the ability to customize your frames and all that kind of stuff, but again, there was an element of that to the previous version as well, but that's up to yourself to get creative. You got fun mode as well. The apps mode can be changed by switching the camera's orientation, so just to run that through as well. And I just use simple print. You've got Instax camera and video print as well, so you can have that there and you can pick from your videos, and then you can also get QR codes on, you can share them to social media. So the QR code come up on the photograph, you can scan, comes up on your phone, pretty cool. And you've got the new film variety as well, which I've got here. So basically that's the new film variety there, and I've done some of the same with the standard print here. So we're back to my top light fail. So I'm going to show you how fast the camera prints, and I'm just going to go like that and press print. And that's basically how fast it's going to come out. So also while you're in there, you can add your text, edit, filter, correction, all that kind of stuff. You can change all this kind of jazz in here. You can edit, you can put your stickers in, your smiley faces, all that kind of gear in there. You can shift them around, all that kind of stuff, and again do the same thing. And that's basically how fast it's going to come out. and what you can do in there, which is pretty handy. So that's pretty much it. So you have your timer off, your in and out and your flash and all that kind of stuff in there. And if you go back out that, you can see it's in there like so. So that's basically what you're going to get there. You can see the picture now coming up. So if we go into, we printed off some of these pictures here. These are just with your normal ones, and these are with the new film variety. And basically the difference is it's just as a frame on them and a bit more of a colour pop by the looks of it. So you can see that's the pictures there. So what we do is here we go in and show you the pictures ourselves in real time. So we go up to this guy here, that's that guy there, and you've got the red rose. You can see there it's a bit more saturated than that one, and then you've got the garden here, which should be up a bit further. So that's what it's going to look like there. But again, this is just a standard setting. You can toggle these pictures as well, come out whichever way suits you better, and you can get a bit of better artistic effect. And that's just again printed off with the new frames that you can get with it. But you can get the free ones in here with your own edits and all that kind of stuff. It's just to give you an idea of what you're going to get. So you know, it's not all that bad. So say if we want to print this one, you can just go back into the app, open up the app, and simple print. So go to camera, you'll go in here, you can change all the background, the filters, and you can do corrections and all that kind of stuff, and that's what's going to happen. You see that one's nearly processed there now, so that's really about it. So that's as much as I can tell you for the new smartphone printer Mini Link 2, which is really cool, really nice, really portable, and it's handy as well to even bring out in the night. And if you've got that other feature, which for me is a bit, you know, it'd be for more kids, I think, but that's just me. And you've got lots of options in there. You can have lots of fun, get creative, and it's not an expensive kit to have, and you get nice little pictures. Something that people forget that actually can still be done today is get your photographs printed and actually have them at home in the house, in your wallet or your whatever case may be, your bag, and you have the option to do that and have them there and then on the spot, which I think is nice, especially for a night out. And that's basically what's going to happen and what you're going to get with the new printer. Small bit of a difference between this one and last one, but again, you've got that new feature as well, and you've got new prints to mess around with. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And anything else you want to know, feel free to ask. But do check out the app as well, which is pretty cool. It gives you a bit of creativity as well, and you can have fun and at the same time have a nice little piece of tech in your bag, nice little gadget to carry around that doesn't look anything too expensive, but it's robust. It doesn't look like an expensive product, but it's what it can do, and you know, you can have fun with it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on techbuzzworld.com.